Ready to ditch those boring Shopify templates and inject your store with some serious Figma flair? First, head over to the Shopify App Store and search for a Figma to Shopify app. There are a few options, so read reviews and choose one that fits your needs. Once you've picked your app, click Install and grant it the necessary permissions to access your Shopify store. Now jump into Figma and open the design you want to use on your Shopify store. And then click the Share button in the top right corner. Make sure the sharing settings are set to anyone with the link and then copy the Figma design link. Back in your Shopify admin panel, open the Figma to Shopify app and paste the Figma link into the designated field. Most apps will give you options on how to import your design, whether you want to grab an entire section, like a product description, or just individual elements. Choose what works best for you. The app should then import your design elements, and you can then tweak sizing and positioning within Shopify's editor. Preview your changes, and you'll have a beautifully designed, custom Shopify store that truly stands out.